The locations of iPEPS Health Take-Up is really fantastic, close to some of our partners, such as Assistance Publique des Hôpitaux de Paris, the Brain and Spine Institute, Sorbonne Université, INSERM, and so on and so forth. We are close to the Station F incubator or campus, close to the economic ministry, so it's an amazing location to work together with the other KICs.
This building is obviously designed to be sustainable. It is energy efficient. It's insisted on keeping the original materials, the original structure.
The building is perfectly in line with our concern. I would say natural light, uniform exposure to daylight, LED lights.
I particularly like the iPEPS new campus because it's very light. You have a fantastic atrium. This is a meeting place for everybody to work together and try to generate synergies. Today we have already started a collaboration with EIT Health on biomanufacturing.
We will collaborate more and more with EIT Manufacturing by being able to bring a breakthrough innovation for biomanufacturing capabilities in Europe.
We have also, as part of our agenda, to develop decarbonization of manufacturing. And for that, particularly InnoEnergy and Climate-KIC are very interesting for us to try to find synergy and try to work together.
From the perspective of EIT Climate-KIC, we know that there is no segment of human activity that is not either significantly contributing to climate disruption or massively impacted by its effects. So this is an opportunity to work together, share knowledge, build formal and informal exchanges, and really build this collective intelligence, the learning, the sense-making together that allow us to take a really integrated, systemic approach to those challenges, societal challenges that our continent and our world demand.